Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to download anime on Crunchyroll. It's very easy, just you should follow and watch this video till the end. First, open your Crunchyroll. As you see, when you open it, it will open directly on your homepage. Right now, come here in the search bar and search for your anime that you want to watch. For example, me, I want this. If I find it, I don't know. Yeah, this. So, for example, I want to download Bloody Warriors episode. So what I have to do right now, I just have to scroll this list, and I will find here the episode. I want to download it. I will just click download here, or download all. But first, guys, I have to have a subscription with Crunchyroll Premium. So yeah, I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.